iRepair Solutions Nigeria, your one-stop tech solutions provider.
In today's video, we are going to show you how we corrected a problem with this iPhone 13, which is the important message/unknown parts display after a screen replacement. This problem occurs because each touch IC is specifically linked to its respective board. So, when specific parts like the battery or screen are replaced, a similar situation can occur. In this case, the screen was replaced, which resulted to the important message/unknown parts display. To tackle this, we'll be transferring the touch IC from the old screen to the new screen. So, let's begin. To begin, gather all the necessary tools including a rework station, Kapton tape, tweezers, flux, UV light and paste, reballing kits, microscope, and a coin. You will also need both the old screen and the new screen. To correct this issue, we'll be transplanting the touch IC from the old screen to the new screen. Step 1. Let's start by labeling and tagging the screens to avoid mix-ups. Step 2. Using a coin as a heat sink, gently hit the flex on the screen to soften the glue. Then, carefully pry out the touch IC from the old screen. Repeat the same process on the new screen. Step 3. Clean the glue residue on the flex of the new screen and prepare it for reballing. Step 4. Carefully install the touch IC from the old screen into the new screen. Step 5. Before fully coupling the device, let's test run it. Check for the Truetone function and the important message displayed to ensure the installation was properly done. Step 6. Apply the UV paste to bond the touch IC to the flex. Use the UV light to cure the paste, ensuring a strong and secure connection. Step 7. Couple the device fully and test run it once again to verify that the repair was successful. And that's how we successfully transplanted the touch IC from the old screen to the new one, fixing the important message/unknown parts display issue on the iPhone 13. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative tech solutions.
iRepair Solutions Nigeria, your one-stop tech solutions provider.